Well, a very good morning from Phuket, and today we're going to be taking a look at a one-bedroom property that's for sale here in Chalong. It's literally 1 minute away from Chalong Temple, and the sale price is 1,890,000 baht. Here is the property in front. We have a small area at the front, so they've got a table at the moment. Now this property is actually being sold by the same owner as I've already covered the two-bed property. Front door straight into the main living area, reasonable size, air conditioner on the wall as you can see, and then you go from the main living area into an hallway. That's the one bedroom is off to your left hand side. There is a bed base there, but that can be taken away if you prefer. Again, there is an air conditioner on the wall. This is included of course in the sale price, and then some storage units for your clothes, etc. in the one corner. There is a TV bracket on the wall. I presume that is staying also, and of course are the controls for the air conditioning. And then making our way down the hallway, we come to the kitchen area. And gas stove there. And then off the kitchen area is the bathroom or shower area, and of course you have a sink, there's a mirror there, there's WC, and the shower itself. So not quite as big as the two-bedroom property that I showed before, but still a nice size for a single person. And then outside we have a small yard area, I guess you'd call it. There is an outside tap, so you could connect up a washing machine here. There's power supply as well, I've noticed, outside. So again, you could use this area for whatever you like. There is a small table out here at the minute. And then leading off the backyard, there is the sort of side entrance, if you want to call it that, walkway. And that is the property. So the owner of this property is also the owner of the two-bed that I featured on the channel. As I mentioned, they're moving to Chiang Mai under business reasons. Now, this one-bed property actually has a little bit of a bonus for somebody that's interested. It also has some land to the one side here, which I'm going to show you in a moment. This is for sale separately or with the property, whichever. So if you're interested in buying some land here in Phuket, then there is a piece of land here in Chalong for sale. So this is the land right next door to the house. So again, this could be developed. Now the size of it, I've been told this morning, is 65 square meters, and so we've got this here running down, across and back, and this is for sale for 2,700,000. Of course that's Baht. Now this, as I mentioned, can be bought separately from the house, or the house can just be bought by itself, or you can buy the land and the house together. So if you was to buy the house and the land, it would be 4,590,000 baht for both. Or you can buy the land separately for 2,700,000, or just the house for 1,890,000 baht. Okay, I'm just going to show you the area as well. So we're just off the main Chaffa road, literally a minute away. It's just down here to the end and turn right, and that'll bring you onto the main Chaffa road. And opposite there is almost opposite the junction is the Wat Chalong. You can see the area. We're not very far away from Big Buddha, and of course Chalong has all the facilities of schools, good shopping. There's also restaurants here, and because we're not in a main tourist area, the prices are a little bit more reasonable for the island of Phuket. As many people know, Phuket can be very expensive, not only to buy property but to also live here. But Chalong is a better area because it's outside the main tourist areas on the island, so it's a great place to stay. As I say, it's got a number of international schools, a good road network, so you're about 30 to 40 minutes away from the airport here if you use the bypass and the underpasses now that have all been built, so very close to the airport. Again, you're 10 minutes away from Kata Beach, 10 minutes away from Roai Beach, so again very well situated. 20 minutes away from Patong, 10 minutes away from the central shopping malls, so a very good position. Well, if you're interested in either the one-bedroom property or the land that's behind me for sale, then please contact me on the email that's on screen now, or alternatively the email that's in the description and down below the video. And I guess that just leaves me to say, as always, thanks for watching, and until next time, you take care, and I will catch you on the next one.